I have a second channel, Cube Compium TDX.
Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about my personal opinions on smart speakers or smart devices. So before proceeding, I strongly recommend that you disable your Amazon Echo, Google Home, Microsoft Cortana, Apple Siri, any of those devices. I recommend you go ahead and disable them so that way I don't inadvertently wake those devices. So go ahead and pause the video, disable those devices, and then continue on. Okay, so assume you've had a chance to do that. So tonight we'll talk about my personal opinions on smart speakers and digital assistants, such as Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Microsoft Cortana. You get the idea. I have. Some of you might be asking me is like, Nick, why don't you have any of these devices? Well, yeah, I don't, and I don't care for them. I think they're a serious invasion of privacy. Reason why? These devices tend to be active at all times unless you turn them off. They are constantly listening to sounds in the background of your house, your car, or wherever you're at. They listen to you talk. They listen to whatever you're doing. They listen. They listen and wait to hear themselves be called for a command. And these devices, I personally think these devices can be hacked to where you can be spied on and never know it. I mean, just look it up on Google or YouTube, wherever. I'm sure you'll find many videos or articles about these devices being compromised. It's funny, my neighbor has one of these devices. She has an Amazon Echo. And I'm just thinking in the back of my head is like, yeah, I don't care for this. No, it feels like an invasion of privacy having one of these things in my home. It really does. You know, they're great devices and all. I guess they're a good replacement for an extra human being there to answer your questions and things like that. I just don't care to have one of these in my home. Again, because of the invasion of privacy. The thing is constantly listening all the time. And I'm personally just not a big fan of that. And also, I've heard stories of, let's say, your kids inadvertently ordering stuff off of Amazon, which they've made fixes for that. For example, with the Echo, you can set it up to where you have to enter in a PIN code in order to complete a purchase. But it's just like, I just don't care for it. And also, for example, in Windows 10, in Windows 10 they added Cortana, and on any installation I do, my own or if I'm setting up computers, I always turn it off. I always have it disabled. Because I just don't care to have something there listening to me, spying on me, gathering information about me in order to sort of get to know me. I just don't care for it. These devices, they have to sort of get to know you, and this information typically gets stored in a server somewhere. And yeah, don't care for it. Don't care for it at all. Yeah, I'm sorry if this ain't the most informative video, but single-handedly the biggest thing I can't stand with these devices is, yeah, they tend to be an invasion of privacy. So I can't say for certain, but I'm pretty sure that yours truly will not own one of these devices. Or at least if I have a newer phone that has this functionality built in, I'll have it disabled. And you can count on me having Cortana disabled on my Windows 10 computers as well. I just thought, recently I just thought of that. I'm like, why haven't I shot any video talking about this? So, if you happen to have one of these devices, it's just something to keep in mind. That while it might be nice to have a digital assistant there to answer your questions and order stuff for you and whatever else you would like for it to do, just know that the security on these things isn't exactly perfect. And also, now that I've spoken about that, this brings me on to the topic of your smart homes, having smart locks in your house, having refrigerators that can make your grocery list. Yeah, a refrigerator that can Internet of Things devices. It's something I don't particularly care for. I would rather just have a standard freaking refrigerator that just either refrigerates or freezes my food and drinks. And I don't want a thermostat for my home that's connected to Wi-Fi, because somebody could just easily hack into it and set the thermostat way high during the winter and cause my auxiliary heat to run on my heat pump, or during the summertime set my AC down real low and cause my air conditioner to run all the time and run my bill up. Yeah, or having smart locks in my house that are connected to the internet. Somebody could hack those and unlock my doors and come right on inside. Yeah, even though of course I'm always into technology and stuff like that, I don't own any of this crap. I don't care for smart home stuff. And I don't care for smart speakers. I don't care for stuff that listens. I don't care for stuff that listens to everything in the background of my house or my car or anything like that. Yeah, personally, all these newer cars that have built-in Wi-Fi and 4G LTE, I just assume remain old-fashioned. I don't really care for it. I just assume have a regular vehicle that has a standard radio. Yeah, I don't, and not this humongous touchscreen with all these apps and things like that. It's just, no, thank you. Don't care for it. So, I apologize that this video is just kind of random and all over the place, but I figured one way or the other, I would have to share my opinions on what I think of smart devices, like smart speakers, and what have you. Internet of Things devices, smart homes, you name it. Don't care for it. So anyways, maybe you learned something new about me today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Well, guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.